Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Another Wonderful Year, as well as the stitched shape framelits. I'm using the second from the inside. I'm using the designer series paper called Animal Expedition, and I'm going to cut out 6 squares of animals. All right, and I obviously did that with my big shot, but you know, if you don't have a big shot, you can always just cut squares. It's that simple. I have a piece of crumb cake here, and I treated it with my embossing buddy. And now I'm going to take the sentiment, just a friendly hello, and stamp that in Versamark. Versamark is a clear sticky ink that when I sprinkle my white embossing powder on, it will stick to the card long enough for me to heat it and create a shiny sentiment, which I quite like. And I've forgotten, I always like do all these little strips and what have you, and I've forgotten sometimes it just looks really nice to actually have a sentiment embossed right on the card front. All right, so now I have my little 6 squares and I'm going to arrange them. I'm pretty much doing, like you can see, I took some of the leafy backgrounds and then some of the plain backgrounds. So I'm alternating plain to busy, if you will. So the hippo goes down, and then this is more of a white background, and the sloth, I put upside down, right? Did you notice that? It doesn't look like it, but I didn't catch on until almost like right here. I've adhered that to my Whisper White thick card base. Now I'm trying to peel my sloth up, and I can't because those dimensionals are pretty sticky. So I bring out my hot tool. My hot tool's going. This is a little trick for y'all if you have a sticky mess and you don't want to tear paper. You get your hot tool, obviously it was a little hot, and you try to warm up the dry adhesive. Works with fast fuse too. So if you've never seen this trick, it actually works really well. I took off all the remaining dimensionals off the back of my sloth and put a fresh one on there, and no one is the wiser. Awesome. Little tip for you. Anyway, that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.